Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. Today we'll be doing nomenclature of aromatic compounds. In order that a compound may be aromatic, it must fulfill the following conditions. It must be cyclic in nature with one or more pi electrons in conjugated positions. That means alternate double and single bonds. The compound must take part in substitution reactions and resist addition and oxidation. It must be flat and have tendency to show resonance, and it must obey Huckel's rule. According to the rule, a compound, if it contains 4n plus 2 pi electrons, is aromatic, where n may be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. For example, benzene is having 6 pi electrons. So if we put the value of n is equal to 1, then 4 into 1 plus 2 is 6, and it is having 6 pi electrons. Also, benzene is flat, cyclic, and having conjugated bonds, so it's aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds can be divided into benzenoids and non-benzenoids. Benzenoids are those compounds which have a hexagonal ring of benzene with alternate double and single bonds. So this compound of one ring is called benzene, has 6 pi electrons. Naphthalene is also aromatic, has 2 benzene rings fused together. It has 10 pi electrons, where value of n is 2. Anthracene has 3 rings fused together, has 14 pi electrons, n is equal to 3, so 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14 pi electrons. Cyclooctatetraene, even though it's cyclic and has an alternate single and double bonds, is not aromatic because it has 8 pi electrons and does not satisfy the Huckel's formula. Non-benzenoids do not contain benzene rings but fulfill the characteristics of aromatic compounds. For example, pyrrole has 6 pi electrons, 4 of pi bonds and 2 of lone pair of nitrogen atom. Thiophene, pyridine, furan are all aromatic. Not only the molecules but even certain ions also behave as aromatic compounds. For example, cyclopropene cation has 2 pi electrons, n is equal to 0, obeys Huckel's rule. Then cyclopentadiene anion has 6 pi electrons and obeys the Huckel's rule, so it is aromatic in nature. Nomenclature of benzenoids. So if a substituent is attached directly to the benzene ring, such compounds are called nuclear substituted compounds. One substituent means mono substituted. 2 substituents means disubstituted. And if the substituent is attached to a side chain attached to the benzene ring, it is called a side chain substituted compound. So disubstituted compounds can be ortho, meta and para. 1,2 disubstituted, 1,3 disubstituted, or 1,4 disubstituted compounds. We also have tri and higher substituted compounds. 1,2,3 tri-substituted, 1,2,4 tri-substituted, and 1,3,5 tri-substituted. So let's take a few examples and write their IUPAC and common names. So this compound you all know is benzene. With one methyl group, it's called toluene. With 2 methyl groups, it's called xylene. Now, if the methyl groups are adjacent to each other, then the name is 1,2-dimethyl benzene, but in common system, it is called orthoxylene. This is metaxylene or 1,3-dimethyl benzene, paraxylene 1,4-dimethyl benzene. This one is 1,3,5-trimethyl benzene. In common system, it is called mesitylene. Ethyl group is attached to benzene, so it is called ethyl benzene. This is an isopropyl group, so the name will be isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is also called cumene. Allyl benzene will be called 3-phenyl prop 1-ene. Particular compound in common system is called styrene, and otherwise it's called 1-phenyl ethene, called diphenyl. 2 rings fused together is called naphthalene. 3 rings fused together is anthracene. This group will be called phenyl group. This is as substituent. C6H5CH2 group will be called benzyl group, benzyl compound. So in case the compound is C6H5CHO, then it will be called benzaldehyde. Similarly, C6H5C group with 3 valencies satisfied by different groups is called a benzo compound. For example, if there are 3 chlorine atoms, it will be called benzo trichloride in common system. All these names are common names: phenyl, benzyl, benzyl, and benzo. Then halogen derivatives, aromatic compounds, they can be nuclear substituted and side chain substituted. When the functional group or substituent is attached directly to the ring, then they are called nuclear substituted compounds. This will be called chlorobenzene. This is 1,2-dibromobenzene. In common system, it will be called ortho-dibromobenzene. 3-bromotoluene or metabromotoluene in common system. In side chain substituted, this is called benzyl chloride. C comes first, so numbering starts from this end. 1-chloro, 3-phenyl propane. This compound, so 3-bromo, 1-phenyl, prop, 1-ene. Hydroxy derivatives. Again, the nuclear substituted compound C6H5OH is called phenol. This is called benzene 1,2-diol. In common system, it is called catechol. Hydroxybenzene 1,3-diol. It is in common system, it is called resorcinol. Benzene 1,4-diol. In common system, it will be called paraquinol or hydroquinone. The name will be benzene 1,2,3-triol. Benzene 1,2,4-triol. But in common system, 1,2,3 compound, this is called pyrogalol, and 1,2,4 hydroxy compound is called hydroquinone. This will be called benzene 1,3,5-triol or fluoroglucinol in common system. This compound will be called 4-methyl-phenol. In common system, it will be called paracrisol. Side chain substituted compound, it will be called benzyl alcohol in common system or 1-phenyl methanol. This compound will be called 2-phenyl ethanol. Next group is aldehyde. So this one is called benzaldehyde. This is called 2-phenyl ethanol in IUPAC system. This compound is 4-phenyl butanol. Carboxylic acid C6H5COOH is called benzoic acid. 2-methyl benzoic acid. In common system, it is called orthotoluic acid. This is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. In common system, it is called phthalic acid. This compound is benzene 1,3-dicarboxylic acid. In common system, it is called isophthalic acid. Benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. In common system, it is called terephthalic acid. Acid derivatives. This is called benzoyl chloride. This is called benzamide. This is called phthalimide. Phthali because this portion has been obtained from phthalic acid, and imide because it's a secondary amide linkage. So combining the two, phthalimide. This is called methyl benzoate. This compound will be called benzoic anhydride because it's formed by eliminating water molecule from 2 benzoic acids. So minus water is anhydride, so it will be called benzoic anhydride. It is also an acid derivative. This compound by taking out water molecule from phthalic acid is formed, and so it will be called phthalic anhydride. Then amines, when we have an NH2 group attached to C6H5, it is called benzene amine, and in common system it is called aniline or aminobenzene. This compound is 2-methyl benzenamine, and in common system it is called orthotoluidine. This will be called 4-methyl benzenamine, and in common system it will be called paratoluidine. The numbering starts from the functional group 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this compound, it is a secondary amine, it will be called N-methyl benzenamine. In common system it is called N-methyl aniline. N-phenyl benzenamine in IUPAC system, and N-phenyl aniline in common system or diphenyl amine. This N diphenyl benzenamine, in common system triphenyl amine is the name. Ethers, this is methoxybenzene, it is also called anisole in common system. This is ethoxybenzene, also called phenetol in common system. This is phenoxybenzene, it can also be named as diphenyl ether. Ketones, so this is called 1-phenyl ethanone, ethane 1-one. This is called 1-phenyl propane 1-one. This is called diphenyl methanone or diphenyl ketone or benzophenone. Nitro compounds, this is nitrobenzene. This is 1,3-dinitrobenzene, also called meta-dinitrobenzene. This is 2,4,6-trinitrotoluene. It is also called TNT in short form. It is an explosive. Next is sulfonic acid. This is called benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid or meta-disulfonic acid. Benzene. Cyanides and isocyanides, this is called phenyl cyanide, this is called phenyl isocyanide, it is also called phenyl carbonyl amine. Diazonium salts, this will be called benzene diazonium chloride is the name. This is benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Then these are Grignard reagents, phenyl magnesium bromide, and this is phenyl magnesium iodide. That's all in today's video. If you like the video, please press the like button and also share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.